nothing. Ashley. I have to interrupt this getting to, like, back to know you and see you and everything, and I miss you. But can we just, how you drive?
French fries!
At the French fries.
Oh, I was excited about the shirt, man.
I know. But your French fry shirt is on point, but I just want to show everybody how you drive through town.
Well, it's Port St. Lucie. You can't go more than 20 miles an hour anyway.
I know, but it's great because this is how she drives with me all the time. It's wonderful, and I missed it. Okay, back to catching up. Okay, catch up.
Moving on.
Catch up to those fries.
Catch up!
And it's Walmart.
Walmartians.
Oh fuck!
Bless you.
Thank you. So, for those of you who do not know who I am on the interwebs, I am very short, and if you want to get a perspective, there it is. Literally boob level.
I'm like a whole person taller than her.
Yeah, basically.
I should probably buy like 12 of them so I don't lose.
Probably.
It happened.
When you don't want to go in the dressing room again.
I refuse to wait in that goddamn line.
I'm sorry. She's a mess. She's a mess. So today, I'm chilling with somebody y'all might recognize. And it's been a while. I've been going through withdrawals, and I miss you, man. Look at that face, though. You know you guys miss her, too. Oh, yeah. The dynamic duo are back. Just because she's off today.
And I need a car wash.
Yeah. She's
Car wash.
Car wash.
Say wash. Car wash.
No.
Car wash.
Please don't. I listened to that enough when I was in Ohio. I don't need to hear wash again.
That's where I got it from. Indiana.
No shit.
Same thing.
It's the same thing.
We gotta go wash the clothes. I'm not right. Hold on.
And it's time for car wash. And we're about to bump.
Yeah!
Hey!
That undercarriage, bitch! Real dirt.
So, I came to Walmart with Taylor and her fucking cousin. Look at him. He's getting on a scooter. Anyway, I need cat litter and cat food. Yeah, he got knee surgery. I swear to God.
You start crashing into stuff and I'm bailing on you.
Come on, Limpy.
The painkillers aren't doing it.
And I don't know if I can get out of this. This thing. Oh, jeez. I'm that man.
No, that's fine. They're elasticy. I'm trying to figure out where the fucking leg is going.
You gotta find the hole.
There's two holes, but one is going through, but then it stops. And then the other one just doesn't.
I seriously don't know if I can get out of this.
I got you.
Let's see.
See, this one comes out on what?
Oh, just kidding, I did it. I finally watched Fast and Furious 7. I know, I'm a late bloomer. I'm sorry. Life got in the way. But holy shit, that ending, I was bawling my eyes out. Oh my god, that was so hard to watch. They made sure you cried. Holy cow. Anyway, that was a wonderful movie. I can't wait to see the 8th one. Oh my god, I'm on my bed. I'm going to bed. I can't. That was a good movie. Fuck.
Alright, if you say so. No, we're not looking.
Hi there. Did you think this was a picture?
They say film.
They say feel me. Do you touch everybody that says feel me?
Feel me.
So I'm here at Walmart again with Taylor, Heather, and Taylor's daughter Alexa. Yay!
Come here, Archie.
Look, it's Taylor. I'm looking at the baby, not you. Are you gonna dance for me? No? Okay. Oh, Taylor's dancing for me. Go ahead. Come on, let's dance. Let's dance.
We're getting stairs now.
You know what? I get
I'm
stares
gonna
every
start
day
having to
because
charge
people don't know if
people
I'm a
for
girl or
this
a guy.
Okay.
Wait, you're not gonna charge me, right?
No, just an innocent bystander.
I am.
Wait, you're an innocent bystander?
What? What? Excuse me, miss. I think you're a little too big to be sitting in that.
She actually fits almost like her.
Miss, that's inappropriate. You're sitting next to a child.
She can't read cuss words. I'm going to with you guys.
What are you talking about? We're fun. Right, Heather? Okay, maybe she's not fun, but I'm... Oh, yeah, never mind. She's fun.
What is the definition of fun?
The hell did I walk into?
Yep. I'm Zeke. Come by me. Oh, my ass. Oh, God. I'm giving birth to myself. I'm giving
Are you doing it right?
Oh.
She's pushing.
Just help me.
Let me help you out.
Oh, was that the right shade, by the way? Yeah.
Yeah.
She's trying to push you in.
I'm in.
Wait,
If I put my butt here.
hold on.
Close the door. Close the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Oh, gosh. Where's the baby? Alexa! Alexa!
Sometimes she likes to hide.
There she is! Oh, I scared you.
What'd you say?
So sometimes she likes to hide in there with food, and like she'll just hide it. Like she used to take like a box of like Cheerios and just sit there.
Alright, my turn. Can I go? It's my turn? Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, for sure.
I don't know if that's the right way.
Just close it. Just close it.
Just close it.
Just close it. Close it. Come on.
Yeah, stand in front of this so she can't get it.
It's really tiny. It's really
There doesn't have a drinking problem. That's all water.
I know. It's what. Oh, they're not even mine. Like, come on.
I'm joking.
Bro.
Bro.
I
Oh.
only drank like. Look, this one still has stuff in it. And just look. Snowy. There's stuff
Is that
in
yummy?
Sake. And it tastes
Ooh.
like shit.
Spotted this car that's like full-on Trump supporter. It's fucking hilarious. Hold on, it's about to come up here.
Oh, look, it's such a beautiful day out. It's so cute today. It's adorable. Come on, you Trump supporter. He's driving so
He's
slow.
going super slow.
Like, what the fuck? Okay, we are at the beach.
Oh, more than the other.
Heather!
Yeah, at least you guys put in Trump. It was my favorite soup.
So I get home, Jada comes home, and her face is starting to match her hair. Somebody went to the beach and got burnt.
You want to see how bad it is?
Dude, it's bad. Like, her whole back literally matches her hair. It's bad.
Like, this is...
Like, can you see it?
Look at that. And look at the bottom here.
It's
Compare my back to my ass. Look.
oh my god, Jada.
Figure it out, figure it out, figure it out, figure it out.
Pride is on Sunday, and we're going Pride shopping. And there's a lot of rainbow. There's rainbow in the background. And yeah, this is fun. I think I'm gonna get these. That's gonna be a fun vlog to do, right, Taylor? Vlog. This is me closing it out. Don't forget to smile and wave. Might make someone's day. Deuces. Shay, what else should they do?
Like and subscribe!
Touch the door handle and it'll unlock.
What the fuck you gotta record me getting into my goddamn car?
Because your car is ridiculous. You broke everything. Get in your car, bitch. Get in your car.
Yeah. Get in there real deep like.
Come on. You can do it.